Forget what you thought was possible. Forget the exotics from Italy and Germany. The new king of the hypercar world was just born in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and it is here to shatter everything. Chevrolet has just unleashed an absolute monster. A car so powerful, so unbelievably advanced, it's forcing the entire auto industry to stop, drop its jaw, and just stare. This isn't just a new Corvette, this is a declaration of war. But can you even buy it? Hang around to find out what it takes to get one of these absurd things. With a mind-melting 1,250 combined horsepower, this isn't just the most powerful Vette ever built. It's a sub-2-second 0 to 60 hypercar from Chevy that is ripping up the rulebook and setting it on fire. Now, let's break down the 10 things you absolutely need to know about the groundbreaking 2026 Corvette ZR1X. Unmatched power, 1,250 combined horsepower. Let's get right to the insane number that's breaking the internet. 1,250. That is the total combined horsepower the ZR1X summons, making it the most powerful production Corvette in history. And that number comes from a symphony of two perfectly harmonized, savage power sources. First, the soul of the beast. A hand-built 5.5-litre, twin-turbo, flat-plane crank LT7 V8 that absolutely screams to its red line. On its own, that V8 cranks out a colossal 1,064 horsepower. Developed right alongside the Z06 GT3R race car's engine, it features two massive 76mm turbos and a wild Manny turbo exhaust design that puts the turbos right next to the exhaust valves for literally instantaneous throttle response. But that's not all. Paired with that monster V8 is an upgraded electric motor on the front axle, a beefed-up version of the E-Rays system. It slams down another 186 horsepower of instant electric torque, bringing the grand total to that unbelievable 1,250 figure. This isn't just about a big number, it's about creating a whole new dimension of performance, blending the raw, emotional thrill of a twin-turbo V8 with the lightning-fast precision of an electric motor. Record-shattering acceleration. So what does 1,250 hybrid horsepower actually feel like? It feels like reality itself is bending around you. General Motors recently took the ZR1X to US 131 Motorsports Park, and the numbers they came back with are just ridiculous. On a prepped drag strip with standard pump gas and factory Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, the ZR1X launched from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.68 seconds. No, that is not a typo. 1.68 seconds. That makes it the quickest accelerating American production car in history. It hit 60 miles per hour in under 100 feet, while subjecting the driver to a brutal 1.75 Gs of peak acceleration. This is performance that was once reserved for multi-million-dollar all-electric unicorns. And this wasn't some one-and-done glory run. Chevy engineers made multiple back-to-back quarter-mile runs all under 8.8 seconds, proving this face-melting performance is repeatable. Even on a normal, unprepped road, a ZR1X with the aggressive ZTK performance package still rips a 0 to 60 time of just 1.89 seconds. Drag strip dominance. That insane 0 to 60 time is just the start of the insanity. The ZR1X doesn't just launch, it pulls like a maglev train possessed by a demon. During that same record run on the prepped surface, it blasted through the quarter-mile marker in a jaw-dropping 8.675 seconds at nearly 160 miles per hour. This officially puts the entire hypercar world on notice. To be clear, this is a completely different universe of speed. That 8.6-second time redefines what a production car with a combustion engine can achieve. And just like its 0 to 60 time, this performance holds up in the real world. On an unprepped surface, the ZR1X with the ZTK package still lays down a blistering 8.99-second quarter mile. This is a testament to its incredible all-wheel drive system, which can put down an absolutely obscene amount of power in almost any condition. The brains behind the brawn, hybrid e-AWD. So how does it put all that power down without tearing a hole in the space-time continuum? The secret weapon is its advanced electrified all-wheel drive e-AWD system. While it builds on the E-Rays foundation, the system in the ZR1X has been massively upgraded to handle the LT7 V8's biblical power. The electric motor on the front axle delivers instant, shocking torque, pulling the car off the line with brutal efficiency, while the twin-turbo V8 unleashes its 1,000-plus horsepower to the rear. This hybrid setup unlocks some truly wild capabilities. First, there's stealth mode, which lets you drive on pure electric power for 4 to 5 miles at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Perfect for those quiet morning escapes that don't wake the neighbors. Then there's flying start. You can start your drive silently in electric mode, and when you mash the throttle, the system unleashes the full, combined 1,250 horsepower for a seamless, explosive burst of acceleration. The electric motor also assists for longer, powering the front wheels all the way up to 160 miles per hour, which is absolutely crucial for the car's stability and quarter-mile domination. Taking control. Track-optimized modes. Chevy knows a car this psychotic needs to be more than a straight-line missile. It has to be a surgical weapon on the track. For 2026, they've introduced a new feature for serious drivers called PTM Pro mode. PTM, or Performance Traction Management, isn't new, but PTM Pro takes it to the absolute extreme by completely disabling stability and traction control, leaving just ABS and the advanced front axle hybrid controls active. It's made for skilled drivers who want zero electronic interference. This is hold on tight mode. But the ZR1X goes even further with brilliant energy strategies for the track. Endurance mode optimizes the battery for long sessions, ensuring you have consistent power lap after lap. For a single, all-out hot lap, qualifying mode gives you every ounce of power the car has in a short, violent burst. And for those critical moments on a straightaway, push to pass gives you instant access to the full 1,250 horsepower on command. If your mind is as blown by these specs as mine is, do me a huge favor and obliterate that subscribe button. We get into the weeds like this every single week, and you will not want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's talk about how this beast stops. Braking supremacy. How do you stop a 1,250 horsepower missile? With the largest brakes ever put on a production Corvette, that's how. The ZR1X delivers with a standard massive carbon ceramic brake system, featuring colossal 16.5-inch rotors on both the front and the rear. Clamping down on those are enormous Alcon calipers, 10-piston in the front and 6-piston in the rear, designed for unbelievable fade-free stopping power. This system provides a level of stopping power that's just as brain-scrambling as its acceleration. While we don't have all the final numbers, the hardware is designed to deliver true hypercar-level deceleration, giving drivers the absolute confidence to push the car to its bleeding edge on any track. This proves the ZR1X isn't just some drag strip special, it's the complete, terrifying package. Aggression by design. The ZR1X looks every bit as menacing as its performance numbers suggest. It takes the already stunning mid-engine C8 platform and cranks the aggression dial past 11. The body is wider, with functional scoops and vents everywhere, all designed to channel air and cool the absolute powerhouse of an engine and those massive brakes. You get two main aero setups. The standard configuration is shockingly sleek, designed for hitting simply ludicrous top speeds. But for ultimate track day warfare, you'll want the optional ZTK performance package. This adds a massive, high-mounted carbon fiber rear wing, aggressive front dive planes, and underbody strakes to generate over 1,200 pounds of downforce, literally gluing the car to the pavement at speed. And none of it is just for show. Every single piece is brutally functional. The secret sauce: engineering synergy. So how on earth did Chevy pull off these impossible numbers? It's not just a pile of powerful parts. It's a fully integrated system where every component works in perfect, violent harmony. It starts with the lightning-fast reflexes of that twin-turbo flat-plane crank V8, sent through a reinforced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that handles the insane torque with bone-snapping shifts. Then you add the electrified front axle, which doesn't just add power, it enables advanced torque vectoring for mind-bending grip when clawing out of a corner. But the key to unlocking it all is the sophisticated custom launch control. This feature, which is adjustable by the driver, manages wheel slip, clutch engagement, and dozens of other parameters to deliver the perfect, repeatable launch every single time. It's this deep, seamless integration of hardware and software that makes the ZR1X both a drag strip champion and a road course weapon. Slaying giants, how it stacks up. The ZR1X's performance doesn't just put it at the top of the Corvette food chain, It throws it into a steel cage match with the most exclusive and expensive cars on the planet. Let's look at the numbers. The Lucid Air Sapphire, a 1,234 horsepower electric sedan, hits 60 in 1.89 seconds. The ZR1X matches that on an unprepped surface. The Pininfarina Battista, a $2.2 million electric hypercar, does 0 to 60 in 1.79 seconds. The ZR1X is quicker on a prepped surface. In fact, the only production car that can definitively beat its 0 to 60 time is the Rimac Nevera, an all-electric Croatian masterpiece that costs over $2.5 million and hits 60 in a claimed 1.66 seconds, a mere 0.02 of a second faster than the Corvette. The ZR1X offers a level of performance that challenges cars costing 10 times as much, all while delivering the raw, unapologetic soul of a V8. It's the new benchmark for performance per dollar, period. The bottom line: availability and price. So the question on everyone's mind: what's the price for this level of American insanity? Production for the 2026 Corvette ZR1X is set to begin in 2026. As for the price, the 1LZ Coupe has a starting MSRP of $207,395, officially making it the most expensive production Corvette ever. But an absolute unbelievable bargain for the performance you get. Of course, there are pricier versions. A special Quail Silver Limited Edition convertible will start at $241,395. This exclusive model features unique blade silver matte paint, Corvette's first factory matte paint in decades, and other unique finishes. With options like the ZTK package and carbon fiber wheels, a fully loaded ZR1X could get close to $300,000. But even at that price, it represents a value that is simply unbeatable in the hypercar world. The 2026 Corvette ZR1X is so much more than a car. What is this thing? It's a masterpiece born from decades of engineering, a roaring, defiant statement on what's possible when you fuse raw V8 muscle with bleeding-edge hybrid tech. It's a 1,250 horsepower, all-wheel drive hypercar from Kentucky that can out-accelerate nearly anything on the planet, do it again and again, and do it for a fraction of the cost of its European rivals. It honors the Corvette's past while blasting it into a new, electrified, and absolutely terrifying future. The ultimate Corvette has arrived, and it's a technical tour de force. The king is here. So what do you think? Is the Corvette ZR1X the new king of the hypercars? Is this the most exciting car of the decade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most incredible cars.